Okay, hi guys, I'm Anya and I'm here to make an unboxing. This time is number 5 and it'll be unboxing of DAY6's Moonrise album. Here is a poster. I got a poster of Jay. Jay is my number 1 in DAY6. Like, I love all of the members, but Jay was the first one who actually got me into DAY6. So he's special for me. Here he's amazing, oh my god, amazing, and the poster is so big and he's so sexy there. Okay, and here is the album. I will put the album on the poster because I want you to see Jay all the time. Here is the front. Focus. Okay. Here is the side. It's invisible. Okay. There's Moonrise there, but I guess there's too much light in my room, so it's not that visible. Okay, and this is the back. The light is really... I'm sorry. Okay, here is the track list. Here are the informations, and here is a sticker. When you... yeah, it's opening like this with the sticker. When I open it, I will take it all from the cover. Here is the moon. Okay, because it's a moonrise. And now I got 2 cards. On one side there are Bonpil and Songjin. It's like this because if you put all these little cards together, you will get a picture. And on the other side, there's wait, I need my phone to focus. Here is Songjin. Focus. Okay, Songjin. And here's a card of Songjin, and there's Dawn, baby Dawnie. Okay, so these are the cards. Now there's, I don't know what exactly this is, but from my previous DAY6 unboxing, you know that this was also something like this was also in the other album, and I also didn't know how to say what is it name because my vocabulary is not enough. Okay, so here is the moon, and here are all the members. Yay! And if you put it together with the moon, it looks like they are sitting on the moon. Wow. And it's the same as it was before, that on one it's like they are one by one separately. Yeah, and here is G in the last one. And this is the moon. Here is a CD. I'm not sure if I'll be able to open it with one hand. I'll try. Wow, I'm sorry. I need to take it off. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is how the CD in Gold Moon version looks like. Yeah, and here you can see also the informations, JYP Entertainment and stuff. Okay, and here you can see, wait, I'll open it. It's big. Okay, so here you can see all the members. Yay! They all of them look so handsome. Oh my god! And won't build those eyes. Ah. And Donnie, he's the youngest, and actually, like, I was always saying that he's a baby. He's my day baby. But actually, he's not a baby anymore. He's grown up and he's so hot. Oh my god! Okay, one pill. He's only 5 days older than me, so he's like my 5 days oppa. Yunkei, he has birthday tomorrow when they are coming on ASC. Jay, oh my god, Jay, he's so hot. And Little Ning, Sungjin. Wow, these photos are really amazing. Okay, I will put them aside because I want to show you the photo book. Okay, so yeah, the photo book looks like this. On the other side, there's a group photo of Day6 and also the informations. So you know me, you know that I will not show you everything because I don't like spoilers, and this is a new album, so I guess many people will want to buy it. Here is the track list, and here is the first group photo. This was actually one of the photos you could see when, like, it was everywhere online, on Facebook, Twitter, and actually I thought this would be the poster, but as you see, I got Jay and not this poster, and I love Jay, so it's amazing how amazing it's amazing how amazing the poster is. Here is other photo. I think I have this one as my wallpaper on my computer. They are all amazing, and the stars here, it's nice. And here, and one more, and then I will show you randomly few photos because you know me, you know that I don't want to make spoilers, so yeah. Sungjin, Leader Neem, camera doesn't want to focus on him, I'm sorry. Okay, and you can take a look on Jay, and I will choose some photos. Okay, Jay, oh my god, Jay. Okay, take a look on Jay, I will choose other photos. Okay, Youngkay, oh my god, those eyes and those lips, he's so amazing. Okay, oops, sorry. One peel. Like, I can't believe that he's really only 5 days older than me. It's like where he is and how successful he is, and then where am I? Thousands kilometers away, and like I'm the same age as him. I really can't believe it. Wow, he's so handsome, so boyfriend material. The person whose photos kills me the most, our baby Dawn. Okay, oh my god, I said he's a baby again. I'm sorry, he's not a baby. He's a fully grown up and he's amazing and he's so hot. Donnie, and he's younger, so with him I started my era of being a Nuna because he was the first one who was actually my bias, because I love all of the DAY6 members, so like all of them are my bias, and he was the first one who was younger than me, so with him I started my Nuna era. Okay, and I will show you last 2 photos. I will open the photo book randomly on 2 pages, and if you want to see more, buy the album, or maybe there will be somebody who will who will show you everything, but I don't think it's a good thing to show everything, because when somebody wants to buy the album, they want to be surprised which photos they will see there. They don't want to know everything. Okay, and last one. Yay! Peely! Peely! Oh my god! Okay, and now with Jay, I'll put this aside. With Jay, we'll say goodbye.